Now listen, children. I know you all are sitting with your pen and paper. Now see, you can see on your screen there are 10 questions. Or bracket में the main verb is written. Now what you have to do, I am giving you 5 minutes exactly for these 10 questions. Since you know all the rules of tense now, so what you have to do? You have to answer. अब फटाफट इसके answers अपनी copy में लिखिए. You have 5 minutes and your time starts now. 5 minutes. So what you have to do? Fill in the blanks with the suitable form of verbs. But you have no MCQ. You have no multiple choice. So what you have to do from this main verb, जो भी उसका requirement होगा, okay, उसको change करो. Kumar Kanishk, don't feel sleepy in the class. So do this. Come on, quickly, your time starts now. You have 5 minutes to solve this. And please be honest, because I won't be able to see whether you are writing it or not, or you will be waiting for the answer. So I want you to be honest. Honesty is the best policy. So you have 5 minutes to solve. You have to fill in the blanks with the suitable verb forms. Now you already know about tenses and how verb changes according to its tense. So you have to change the verb according to the tense. Fine. So your 5 minutes starts now. So tenses are, I will not disturb you. The police dash 4 thieves last night. Bracket, the main verb is catch. Now you have to change it accordingly. I was dash food when he came in. Cook, that is the main verb. It dash since 9 o'clock. Rain. I certainly dash my colleague if I had been there. Bracket, help. Stars dash in the sky at night. All the students dash the classwork when the teacher came in. Main verb, do. Mahesh dash tomorrow from Patna. Main verb, come. The patient dash before the doctor came. Main verb, die. I saw that the policeman dash the thieves. Main verb, chase. Chase, you know, picha karna. He's a very rude person. I dash him, not help. When you will be done, you will tell me. You have 5 minutes. Not 5 now, 3 minutes only. Children, are you writing your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you will finish your work, you will tell me. Be honest. I know that I am not able to see whether you are following my words or not, but I believe, I trust you. Did you finish your work?
No, ma'am.
Oh, how much time you children will take?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good.
Done,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
done.
children.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, now listen. I will tell you your answers also. Why? Because since it is not visible, it is that I will correct your copy one by one. So I'm going to give you answers. Now be honest and see where you made the mistake, why it happened. You can ask me questions. I will be answering your queries also. Now see the answers. Okay, these are the answers. See the first statement. The police caught 4 thieves last night. Simple past. Okay, correct. If it is correct, then put a tick. I was cooking food when he came in. Was cooking. Past continuous. Okay. Third sentence. It has been raining since 9 o'clock. It has been. Now you will say it had been also, but generally since it's a simple statement, so you will follow present perfect continuous. I certainly would have helped my colleague if I had been there. Assumption, would have helped. Okay, why instead of will it is written would? Because the next part of the sentence is giving you the past, past perfect, that statement. So instead of I will have, you write down I would have helped my colleague if I had been there. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. That's because this is a universal truth statement. All the students were doing the classwork when the teacher came in. Were doing, not are doing, because teacher came in, past tense. So it is were doing. Mahesh. Okay. Mahesh will come tomorrow from Patna. Simple future. The patient had died before the doctor came. Why had died? Because whenever we have two past tense in one sentence, one you will write down the simple past and another tense or another main one will follow up the past, past perfect or anything else. I saw the policemen were chasing the thieves because the work was in progressive. He is very rude person. I won't help him. He is present tense, so I won't. Okay, I won't help him. Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Where did you? This sentence was incorrect. Now answers are there with you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, question one,
Ma'am,
three.
sentence
Okay,
4.
one by
Question
one.
six.
One by
Four
one.
and
One by
one and
one.
three.
4 and 5.
I got
Ma'am,
it.
sixth one.
Okay,
One and
all. All. Who is
I'm
saying
sick.
this all? That means you have been sleeping in the.
No,
Clear? Answer is clear now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Have no
ma'am.
Ma'am.
problem now.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
No, ma'am.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में
Hmm.
मैम विल कम की जगह मैम इज कमिंग हो सकता है.
हाँ हो सकता है, लेकिन वो मैंने बताया कि होता है बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो कन्वे सिंपल फ्यूचर थ्रू प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस. लेकिन तुम लोग अभी ये स्मार्टनेस नहीं करोगे, तुम एग्जाम में ये काम इसलिए नहीं करोगे क्योंकि ये हमारा अभी जो ग्रामर क्वेश्चंस होंगे ना उसमें अप्लाई नहीं करेगा. ये मैंने सिर्फ तुम्हें बताया था कि इज इट ऑल्सो, मतलब ये होता है एंड व्हाइल हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन इन फॉर्मल इंग्लिश में. बट इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग योर ग्रामर पेपर, मान लो तुम्हारे एग्जाम्स में जब ग्रामर आएगा उसमें लिखोगे तो वहां पे इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा. अभी तुम्हें उतना स्मार्टनेस नहीं दिखाना है. But if you are having a conversation, क्योंकि हमारा जापानीज नहीं फॉलो करते, इंडियंस तो अभी भी फ्यूचर टेंस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ओके, तो यहाँ पे तुम will ही लिखोगे, ठीक है? Clear? Now let's move to another set of questions. See, another set of question is there on your screen. Now you have two options. During your examination, you will have 4 options. But here you are a little lucky that you have only 2 options. So now please solve this. Okay? And again, I am giving you 5-minute time. So please solve these questions. If I had the money now, I dash. Question is clear. It is visible also. So solve it quickly.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, very
I'm
good.
done.
Done?
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Now some more questions you have. After he finished his exams, so many. Okay. One more sentence is there. Oh, what happened? Now, last sentence, if I had gone to university, I dash medicine. Now finish this sentence and then we will see the answers.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, completed.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
complete.
Very
Ma'am,
good. children.
completed. Done.
Fine. Now see the answers. And if you have any query, I think hopefully you will write down the correct answer because you have option now. In your final exam also, half yearly exams also, you will get options. If I had the money now, I would buy a car. I would, I had it there, and then it is that you wish to do this, so I would. If you caught the 10 o'clock train, you could be in Mumbai by evening. Clear? If she spoke English, she could get a better job. No problem? If I knew that you were coming, I would buy a chicken. 11 o'clock, it is time you went to bed. I wish I had more money. I would rather you went home now. I think this sentence is, I would rather you. I would prefer you went home now. I wondered if you were free this evening. After he finished his exams, he went on a foreign tour. If I had gone to university, I would have studied medicine. I think hopefully all correct, children. Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
No? Very good. So no more problem. Then let's move to the next exercise. Okay. C. Okay, C. Leave the first sentence. It's not good. But the question is, given below are the statements with blanks. You are required to fill in the blanks with appropriate words given in the option so that the sentence appears to be in the correct form of text. Now see the very first sentence. Give first sentence. She shall dash your ice cream parlor soon because she dash ice cream. Fatapat, quickly write down. Now tell me, what will be the answer? Children,
Ma'am,
tell
first.
me.
First.
First one.
First one.
Option A.
First.
Option A.
I'm option one.
Second.
I'm one.
Option second.
One.
Option
second.
because second, she shall visit your ice cream parlor soon because she likes ice cream. Okay, why she shall be visiting your ice cream parlor soon? No, it is a simple future that she shall. So she shall visit your ice cream parlor soon because she likes ice cream. So option 2. Shakespeare dramas that are appealing to the people of all ages. Tell me. What will be the answer? Tell me, Shakespeare.
Had written.
Shakespeare
Be
had
careful.
Go.
Ma'am, option second.
Be
Had
careful.
written.
You know, some characters, those who have great name and fame, they are, you should know about this, they are immortal. They are, so think about it again and see the sentence, the rest part of the sentence. Children, be careful.
Ma'am, fourth option.
Has written.
Yes,
Has written.
Shakespeare has written dramas that are appealing to the people of all ages because you know they are immortal characters. So we use present tense also for them. Got it? Whenever you are using present tense for them. Got it? Okay, now move to third sentence. The barber dash his finger while he dash off my hair.
Ma'am, third option.
The barber cut his
Third.
finger while he was chopping off my hair. Okay, okay. Third options. What do you say, rest of the children?
Ma'am, option 4.
First.
Ma'am, third.
Or the barber cut his finger while he was chopping off my hair. That is correct. Okay. So the barber. Clear? Now next. Rasoon dash for Bangalore early and he must dash by this time.
Ma'am, first one.
Ma'am, first.
Ma'am, fourth.
Ma'am, second.
Ma'am, second.
Second.
Why you people are having 1, 2, 3, 4? Now note down these questions. No, Rama is not at home. He dashed.
Ma'am,
just
has
dashed
gone.
on.
Ma'am, second has gone.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
second
so
option.
Rama is not
Second.
at home. He has
Second.
Ma'am,
just
second
gone
option.
for shopping. Very good. Next, it is clearly dash passengers dash to smoke in the train. Still they dash ignorant.
Ma'am, 4.
Hmm? Hmm. Think again. Quickly, मत दो
Ma'am,
answer.
first.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first
second.
option.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first
first
one.
one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
first.
very good. It is clearly
First
written.
option.
Passengers are not allowed to smoke in the train. Still, they are being ignorant. Now, see the meaning. It is clearly written. Okay. Now, what is the message? What is the instruction? Passengers are not allowed to smoke in the train. Still, अब आगे तुम्हें ये भी देखना है. वो देखो, when you have MCQ, then you have to think about rest of the part. मान लो कि अगर तुम कहते हो it is clearly written passengers are not allowed. No, this is the wrong sentence. तो यहाँ तक है. So it is clearly written passengers are not allowed to smoke in the train. Still they are being, फिर भी वो क्या है, ignorant है. Okay. They dash a football match in the evening. What dash you do?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fourth one.
second.
Fourth
Are
option.
playing a football
Fourth
match in the
option.
evening.
They are playing a
Option.
football match in the
What will you
evening.
do?
What will you do?
What will you do?
They were playing. What do you do? What will you do? What do you do? They were playing a football match in the evening. Okay, they are playing a football match in the evening. What will you do? तुम क्या करोगे? Okay. हाँ, they are playing. देखो यहाँ पे वही है. They are going to play. They are playing. They have planned to play a football match in the evening. What will you do? What is your plan? Okay. Shireen dash do What do you mean? Please explain it to her again.
Ma'am, second.
Ma'am, second option.
Ma'am, second.
Okay, yes, because you have already explained something to Shireen, but she didn't get it. नहीं कहते हैं, oh मुझे नहीं समझ आया. Shireen didn't understand what you mean. Please explain it to her again. But यहाँ पे ऐसे हम कर सकते हैं. Shireen don't understand what you mean. If the conversation is going on, doesn't understand. But didn't is the perfect because the way it has been the message conveyed is आपसे. By the end of this September, she dash in this organization for 13 years.
Ma'am, third.
She will have been working
third.
by no. By the end of this
Fourth.
Think. Okay, अब मैं 3-4 दे
Ma'am,
रही हूँ.
second.
Ma'am,
Second.
option 2.
Ma'am, second
Option
Ma'am,
option.
second. Second.
Listen, you have very limited time. Think about it.